Yeah. Alright, so we're going to get the Ducunu man one second-hand cat. Thanks to a person from Ohio. And the person said they used to sell Ducunu too. Alright, put it in the back of the truck. Alright. Yeah. Ya kolak, wakil. Yes, man. I think you're going over here. Alright, so new cat for the man. Alright. Okay, so we're going to visit the Ducunu man. Alright. Mr. Matus. Good night, brethren. Yes, man. So, you're using a cat?
Yeah, $15 a day.
You rent this cat here?
Yeah, $15 a day.
$15 a day pay for rent this cat here.
Yes, sir.
How long do you sell Ducunu?
I start like Tuesday.
No. How long for you live in?
15 years now.
15 years?
Yes, sir.
You sell Ducunu?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, any word, any update on your cat when it's thief?
Right now, I used to have the cat with I have the chain and locks.
So, you chain the three wheel.
Yeah, with the lock.
So, how they guide the cat then?
I find witness the camera, catch him on
Or nearby cameras catch the man. What the man do?
drag the cat way outside and cut the chain outside.
Oh, so they carry the cat.
Sure.
Sure you can see. Alright, this man sells Ducunu for how much years? 15 years. And the man park the cat right there, so now. And the thief come and drag it out the yard. When they get out of the yard, they cut the chain and guide the man cat. Alright, see it up on video. So the man they cut the chain. Cut the chain for the cat, right?
Yeah, right there, drag it out. I have an action in a video.
Alright, so we have good news here, the birds. Alright?
See the video.
Alright, see the video there. And look, I didn't realize they're on camera, man. Look at me into good. Yeah. Anyhow, we posted your story on our page, Ladyville Highlights, and a lady in Louisiana, New Orleans. You see the story on Ladyville Highlights page, and it said, she used to sell Ducunu just like you that believe. Get the opportunity to go and see it, and life get better now. And when you hear your story, you send me one blessings, you purchase one second-hand cat bill. Let's go check out the cat. Right? One cat over here. Right, so we'll look at the camera again. Alright. So you're not brand new, but the second hand, but for you.
Yeah.
That's for you. Alright, so your son's going to take. Well, help Daddy take out the car. Let's go. Help Daddy take out the car. So you feel that they gave you the car? Huh? Feel good, right? Right. Try back with the car. Wait, Mr. Matus? Mr. Matus, you don't have to rent no more car. Tomorrow, Independence Day,
As I said,
you go sell tomorrow,
Yes, sir.
provide for your family.
yes, sir.
When they do that thing, they deprive hard-working people of your tools, like you used to get.
Yeah, every day I used to work with.
Yeah.
Day I like rain and no rain or work.
I'm not here for the rent one car.
Yeah, I have to rent 15 years and a lot of money right now.
Yes, man.
That's it.
This is for you, brethren.
Yeah.
Thanks to the lady from Louisiana.
Thank you very much. God bless you over there. Have a nice day and God have you every day.
Yes, man. Respect, man.
Thank you. God bless.
You got to protect the man now. Hard-working Mr. Matus, 15 years. Man ride the cat and sell it Ducunu. And one night somebody else work with the man thing. But thanks to a new donor from New Orleans, he was blessed with a second-hand cat. They're not a brand new cat, but hey, blessings from New Orleans. Thank you so much, my sister. And the reason the lady sent it, because she used to sell Ducunu when she was in Belize, and now she's in a better place. She is willing to give back and help Ducunu man. So he has his second-hand cat and have to rent no more. Blessings and respect. Thanks, guys. Thanks for your support.